Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Vicky here again, and if this is your first time coming to my channel, then do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and like this video. So, guys, today this is the day 2 of my free course here, and if you haven't watched the day 1, then link will be in the description. Click the playlist link and watch the day 1 video. So, guys, here when you click on the $25 business, when you click on the link, you will land here. Okay, so this is affiliate marketing program which cost you only $25 to get started. And affiliate marketing, it's a huge business. This is the same business, the affiliate marketing business, which has made me over 200 grand, as you can see here. Okay, so what you're gonna do is, once you click the link, first, if you scroll down at the very bottom, okay, you will see this $25. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you can simply click on give me immediate access, and you will be able to sign up on this $25 business. Okay, but what I would recommend you is, go for the $125 monthly plan. And what will happen, you're gonna get free for 2 weeks. Okay, and you're gonna click here, yes, I want free access. So what will happen, the first 2 week will be free, and after that it will be $125. And I'm going to show you what you get for your $25 or $125. And if you are uncomfortable with 125, you can simply just go with $25. Okay, just go with $25, it doesn't matter. So now let me log into the dashboard and let me show you what you get for your $25. Okay, so guys, once you are on this back office, the first step that you're gonna do is click on affiliate zone here. Okay, so click here, and what will happen, you will see 4 videos here. Okay, so first of all, you're gonna watch this video, the first video. After that, you will click here, log into Samcart and create your affiliate dashboard. Okay, as you can see here, it says sign up for affiliate program. Why you need to sign up for the affiliate program? Because that's how you're gonna get paid. Okay, that's how you're gonna get your commission. So like this HBA business, as you can see here, home based academy, right? So this HBA business, it pays you through bank deposit. Okay, so you're gonna click here and you're going to sign up for the affiliate program. Okay, and you also wanna click to Samcart. This is the place where you pick up your affiliate link. Okay, you don't need to sign up to Samcart, it's the program which has Samcart, so you just need to create account on it for free. Okay, so like if I show you, this is the Samcart. Okay, and these are the links, these are your affiliate link, this will be your affiliate link. Like if I copy this link here, okay, and if I go here and if I post here, you can see this is the affiliate link. Okay, this is my affiliate link. So here on the first video, what you're gonna do is click on Samcart, this part, and create your Samcart account, and then sign up for the affiliate program here. Okay, now let's talk to the second step. So this is the second step, where you will watch this video and then you're gonna join the Facebook group and Telegram group. Okay, like if I scroll down here, let me show you the Facebook group of this system. So as you can see here, this is the Facebook group of this system, over 3,000 members. It's a community. Like let's say if you have any question that you want to ask, okay, you can go inside the group and you can directly ask the question, whatever you want to ask here. Okay, like you can see, this is a pure community, all the people, they ask question, answer each other questions. Okay, now here is some post that you can make on your social media. Okay, whatever social platform you use, you can use this post. Okay, and then this is another post that you can post on your social media. And now let's scroll down and you will see this step number 3. So what you're gonna do is, you have to watch this video. Okay, and then follow this thing. Okay, follow this part here, like it says login to funnel builder and then Samcart affiliate back office. So basically this video will guide you how to Connect Funnel Builder and Samcart Affiliate as well, but I will also be showing you in the next video, in the tomorrow video as well. But for now, watch this step 3 and follow this step 3, okay? And then the fourth video is get traffic to your funnel. So this part will show you how to get traffic to your funnel, okay? So like if I show you, you can see here it says you can access HBA premium traffic and conversion here. So look guys, why I'm saying you to get on the $125 label, why I'm telling you to get the premium package, because under the premium package you get all these things, okay? Like if I show you, let me go to the premium package. So look, even if you have the system, you will not make sale if you are not driving the traffic, right? You need the traffic to make sales. So under the premium package, under the premium label, you learn how to send the traffic. Like if I click here, yeah, here it is. If I click here, get traffic free, okay? So here you learn how to get free traffic, okay? Then if I click here, here you learn how to send paid traffic, okay? And if I click here, get coaching live. So if I click here, okay, Monday night, so here you can see they provide you live training every Monday, okay? So under the premium package guys, you get live training as well, okay? And then here is another one, inside conversion secret, okay? So they also teach you how to convert your leads once you have the traffic, okay? So these are all the things that you get under the premium package, and there is a done for you funnel, okay? So like I told you, even you don't have to create your own landing pages, okay? The system provides you the landing pages. So like if I show you here, funnel builder, okay? Let's click on funnel builder. Let me log in here. So guys, what is gonna happen is you're gonna get pre-made landing pages which are completely done for you. Like this is one of the landing page that I use, and another landing page I use is this one, okay? So all these landing pages are pre-made here, okay? And basically guys, in tomorrow's video I'm going to show you how you can add your affiliate link here, okay? Like you can see thank you page, right? So I'm going to show you how you can like this will be your affiliate link, right? How you can put this affiliate link, okay, inside your funnel builder, okay? So whenever you get a lead, that lead will go to your affiliate link and you get sales, okay? I will show everything from tomorrow training. So today we are talking about what you're gonna get for this $25 label. And your first step, once you are inside HBA back office, okay, your first step is to go to the affiliate zone here, okay, and follow all these 4 steps here. So it might be kind of boring, like this is the first day of college where it seems it's a boring, but it's an important step to do, okay? So like this will be your first step, this will be your first step, okay? This is your first step. And once you have done this first step, okay, you have to go here, and this is your step 2. So let me show you here. So this will be your step 2 here, and this is the place where you will follow few trainings, okay, and do your step 2 here, okay? Once you have done this step, then from tomorrow morning I will show you, I'll teach you how to set your email autoresponder, and then how to send traffic using TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, okay, using paid YouTube ad, okay, using solo ad. All these traffic source I'll be teaching you in the tomorrow's video, okay, and how you can make these big commissions. So go ahead, complete those 2 steps. And for those of you who are not on the premium package, I would recommend you to go for the premium package, okay? You can go for the 2-week free. If you don't like, you can cancel it anytime, it doesn't matter. But the good thing about the premium package is, let's say if you are at the premium package and you get a premium package sale, then you will make $100 per commission, right? But if you are at the $25 label, and let's say you get a premium package sale, in that case you will miss that sale, okay? You're not gonna pay that sale because you are at the $25 level. That's why I am personally at the $125 level, and I would recommend you to go for the HBA premium. Okay, HBA premium, that's how you're gonna make those $100 commission. So yeah guys, in today's video, in today's training, I just wanted to show you what is your first step and what is your second step, okay, and how to join the Facebook group, Facebook community of this program. So go ahead, join the system at the $125 premium package, okay, and then complete those 2 steps. And from tomorrow, we will set up the get response, the email sequence, and then I'll show you how to send the traffic to your affiliate link and make sales. Okay.